Cool. So yeah, welcome everyone to today's recorded call. It's August, so I think this one will not be too long, but we will hit all the agenda points. So first update on our internal end. We are moving on with the automatic withdrawals. Erigon has been working on that and has a PR up. We will keep moving with the opt-in approach. We will keep communicating with the community and see what they want, but things that it's fine. We'll see. If people complain either way, we can change the approach. Besides that, Hive tests. Maybe Igor, if you wanna give an update here publicly.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Hope you hear me well. So I fixed reward tests and a couple of other tests that were failing for Nethermind. The last thing we should figure out is sync tests fails on like one version of Nethermind, and also there passes on other version. So we will keep eye on that, and hopefully we'll fix this too.
Cool, thanks. Next, client updates. Nethermind, anything you want to share?
Yeah, the update is regarding the shattering. So as you may recall, the communication to keepers requires libp2b, and we hadn't had that back then. But now it's highly likely we'll be able to use libp2b, so there won't be a need to implement a WebSockets-based solution specifically for us. However, we're still exploring the possibilities to utilize our libp2b implementation, and it's not certain that we will use it, but that's what we think we're going to do based on our internal discussions so far. So overall, that's a positive shift on our end. That's it.
Cool, thank you. Erigon, I think Andrew is not here. So
yeah, but I'm here. No updates from Erigon.
Okay, no, thank you. Geth, I did not get any note from Guillaume, and he's not here, so we'll skip. Then infrastructure gateway.
No, also no updates.
Awesome. And then from research, yeah, on our end, we are in parallel looking at centralized Erigon chain. We will, I'm not sure if we will discuss last time, we merged our tentative list of EIPs for the Encode, which is the same with different considerations of parameters that may change. Due to the fact that the slot times are shorter here, I think it will be good to at least have a clear view of how the network will react with bigger blobs. So if you were familiar, on mainnet, there was a big blobs experiment whereby using specially crafted transactions with very big payloads, it was possible to simulate a similar bandwidth on the block proposal times to what we will potentially have with blobs. So we are gonna do the same. We will coordinate with DevOps. Maybe we will see if we wanna collaborate with Nethermind's folks too to do that. But I'm gonna draft a proposal on how to do that, and we should do that shortly to inform us of how the network will behave. I look at metrics recently, and the network is doing much better than we were doing before. I think after the last two forks, I don't know what people did, but at least in aggregation, all the setups are doing pretty good. But anyway, it's good to test because at least in the consensus layer, the way the slot deadlines work, they have a very discrete behavior. So if the network is on average very close to the deadline and we just happen to exceed it with blobs, then performance can degrade from 1 to 0 just by a small increase in times. So it's good that we test that. Besides that, that's all we wanted to share. So any comments or ideas, anything anyone want to share? Cool. Then, yeah, as expected, Augusts do short calls. So enjoy the rest of the time and talk to you guys next week.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
See you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Everyone.
Bye, guys. Have a very good week.